What if a single drop of antimatter touched Earth? Would it explode? Destroy a city? Or wipe out everything in seconds? Welcome to Science Beyond Logic. Today, we're diving into the science behind the most dangerous substance in the universe, antimatter. Antimatter is like the evil twin of normal matter. While regular atoms have protons, neutrons, and electrons, antimatter has opposite particles, antiprotons, antineutrons, and positrons. When matter and antimatter meet, they annihilate each other, releasing immense energy. Just 1 gram of antimatter could unleash the same energy as a nuclear bomb. But how would it behave in Earth's atmosphere? Could we even contain it? Despite its explosive potential, antimatter isn't just science fiction. It's already used in PET scans for medical imaging, and scientists are exploring its use as fuel for deep space missions. So, next time you hear antimatter, don't just think danger. Think mystery. Subscribe for more experiments that go beyond logic.